Now we discussed regarding the complete suction components, and now we are moving all the way to the fire pump units. Keeping in mind, when I was talking the suction, we have some other points to cover, right? In the suction line, 10x diameter. 10x means the diameter of the pipe and times 10. It means if the diameter of this pipe is 6 inch, multiply that by 10x, it means 60 inch. So in between 60 inch, it comes under NFPA 20 suction piping requirement. So in that, we cannot keep any kind of the turns like elbows. We cannot keep elbows or T, because those elbow and T will cause turbulence with the horizontal plate arrangement. So those turbulence is not good for the fire pumps, which will give us some cavitation, right? Only in suction line we can install a gate valve only. The OSY type gate valve we can install. In previous edition of NFPA, they didn't allow butterfly valve, because butterfly valves like this one, you can see this is a kind of butterfly valve, is always hang into the water line. So what will happen, from both the side of the disc, the water is getting stick to those discs and causing some more turbulence. So if it is at nearby the suction of the pump, those butterfly will cause great turbulence, and those turbulence will destroy the pump performance and the impeller materials. NFPA says, okay, if you want to use butterfly valve, you are allowed to use, but not within 50 feet of the suction line. So you have to install 50 feet away from the suction connection, or 15 meter, either taking feet or meters. This is the requirement of NFPA for the OSY, for the valve or the length gate valve. Okay, now we'll discuss regarding the nameplate. What we are getting the nameplate at the pump unit and at the motors. So these nameplate are very important. Once we got those things from the manufacturer, the certified curve and all, those curve we have to match at the actual site requirement after the installation. We have to look by time to time, regarding those nameplate. If you can see the nameplate, this is this pump is centrifugals. This is a centrifugal fire pumps, right? We have the FM approved and dual listed pumps. You can see the diameter of the disc, impeller dia. So normally it's this impeller, the diameter of the impeller, we can see it's 7.37 inch, right? It's in the inch, and the capacity of the pump you can see here is the 500 GPM. The pressure we have 81 psi, and the RPM, the rated RPM at speed the pump is running is 3525. And you can see the horsepower in HP, the brake horsepower we have 32, and the maximum suction suction PSI we have 84. So this is some of the requirement in the pumps. The pump is made by the Peerless Pump company. Now what is the idea of that? This should be always available at the pumps. Should never getting deteriorate by time to time, because it should be made of corrosion resistant material. Even after 20 years of the pump installation, we have to this nameplate should be in neat and clean, so that someone can read it clearly. Now what is the reason for that? Once fire pumps installed at the site, right, you have to check for the performance of the pump by time to time. The weekly test, right, where we are in the weekly test, we just close our discharge valve and we check the maximum set of pressures. Or the monthly test, annual test, or maybe 3 years discharge test. All those pressure and the value of the pressure and the value of the flow, the speed of the impellers, right? How much those things required, we have to match with the actual pump certified curves. The one we purchased from the company and we got some certified curves, we have to match those values based on those requirements. Now we will discuss in detail regarding the pump performance tests and water flows to those requirements. But this is just like a basic introduction regarding the nameplate. If you can see here, we have a pump, right? If we have a pump, the pump, if you can see for the pumps, the pump has given the different values: the voltage requirement, the phase requirement, the number of frequencies, the ratings for the protection, the IP ratings. We have IP 23rd, right? So this is the protection of the pump, how the foreign materials like water or dust can go inside the pump. So we have to check the performance of the pump, right? At what flow, how much things we are getting from those areas. Okay, this is all about the basic nameplate, right? So this should be always stamped on the pump and should be made by such material, corrosion resistant material, that it will not damage easily by time to time. Thank you.